is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will talk about making data modeling. Okay. So here you can see this is our product table, product ID and product name. Okay. This is our fact table. Here you can see sales date, product ID, quantity, sales amount and transaction ID is there. And if you see product budget, you can see year, month and budget amount. The problem is if you see the budget, here it is year month wise. Okay, that means January 2025 budget was this much 2,50,000. February 2025 budget was 2 lakh. March is 1 lakh. But if you see our fact sales table, date is sales date is day wise. 1st January, 2nd January, like this. So how to make this relationship? Okay. So for that, first we'll create a table, dim date table. Okay. So we'll make it dynamic. So for that we can use calendar, then start date. So in the start date, what we can use date, then year. So we can use year function, then min. So whatever the value min in the fact sales table, it will take that year. Min of sale date. Now month. So month is from January I need, then day is from January 1st. Then the same thing we can do for the December. Okay. So copy paste this one and it will be max, and December will be 12, okay, and 31st. So we got date. Okay. Now make this as date and the format will be this one. Okay. So we got date table, but still the problem remains. Here you can see budget is year month wise. Okay, like this, and our dim date is day wise, and our fact sales is also day wise. So what we can do, we can create another column in the dim date table. Okay, I can write it uh, year month, year month equals to what I can write, format, this one, format date, dim date of date, then I can use like year month, year month. Okay, so here you can see I got year month column like this, what we have in the budget table. Okay, now the data model, if you see our data modeling from the dim product to dim product to fact sales product ID. So previously it was working. Now previously we have budget, but there was no relationship. So what we can do, from this year month, from this budget year month, we can make the relationship with dim date. Okay. Now dim date is there. So from this dim date, we have date function, date column, right? From this date column, we can join the fact sales date. Okay. So like this, we can make the relationship. So from the budget year month to dim date year month, okay, and from dim date to fat sales date, okay. So now if I go to the report and make a table, so in that table I can take the transaction ID. From date I can take date, okay, make it date. Then I can take sales amount, okay, and from the budget I can take budget also. So here you can see, uh, for the January month sales is coming and budget also coming 2,50,000, and for the February month sales also coming and budget is coming for 2 lakh, whatever the February month is. In the March sales also coming and budget also coming 1 lakh. So okay, so here also we can put product also. So okay, so now also it is working. So like this we can make this relationship, and in the table view also, you can see budget and budget sales wise, and like this we can make the relationship. So I hope this video was useful. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.